Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on using Steve.ai, the AI-powered video generator. Let's learn how to turn your script into a professional animation in just a few clicks. First, go to Steve.ai in your browser. Click on the Sign Up button at the top right. You can sign up by entering your username, email, and password, or simply sign in with your Google account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the Steve.ai dashboard. Click on the Create Video button. You will now see two options: Generate Script or Use My Script. You can let Steve.ai create an AI script by clicking the Generate Script button, or choose Use My Script to input your own. I will choose Use My Script, so click on Use My Script. Now paste your script in the Enter Your Script Below text box. After pasting your script, click on the Generate button. Next, you will be asked to choose the video style. Options include live action, generative AI, or animation. I will select animation. Now choose the animation type, either talking head style or 2D animation. I will keep it as talking head style. You will now see a toggle for background music. I will disable the background music by turning it off. Keep the language set to English. Under Category, select Health and Wellness. Then click on the Generate Script button. Now click on Generate Video. Choose a template style for your video. Next, pick your talking avatar from the available options. After everything is set, click on Preview to see how your video looks.
Welcome to today's yoga session. Find a quiet space, sit comfortably, and relax. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, and slowly breathe out. Inhale calm. Exhale stress. Let's begin with a gentle neck roll. Now slowly raise your arms above your head and stretch. Breathe deeply. Feel the tension leaving your body. Now, bring your hands to your heart center. Focus on the present moment. You are calm. You are strong. You are at peace. Namaste.
If you want to make changes, click on Customize. Once you're satisfied with your video, click on Download to save it to your device. And that's it. Your AI-powered animated video is ready using Steve.ai. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.